Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about how to align your t-shirts using the Cricut rulers. You guys seen my video the other day. You seen where I showed you guys how to align your t-shirts with the 3x18 ruler from Cricut. It works wonders. So I had some people reach out to me and ask me, what would you do if the shirt was like a 2X or 3X? The problem is going to end up being you still need the 3 inches down, so it's not going to be that problem. But when you get a bigger shirt, this is not going to be the length, so you're not going to be able to line these up. What you're going to need is the 6x26 Cricut ruler. So they make another one, and the way that you're going to do this one, so if you've seen my other video, I'll have it linked down below just in case you didn't, which I'm going to show you again anyways. So if you have the 3x18 ruler, what you're going to do is you're going to line this. The 9's going to be your center. And then these lines right here, all you need to do is make sure your shirt's nice and flat. You're going to line these up. So say mine right now lines up to the edge here, but maybe my arm, it's a smaller shirt and it's going to line up on these lines. You would align these lines with your armpit crease right here. And then you're going to perfectly get that 9-inch mark right in the center of that t-shirt. All right. So then all you have to do is take your design. Going to fold it in half, not by the plastic, but by the end of the designs. You're going to get a crease mark going. And then you're going to line it right at that 9-inch mark with that crease. And you're going to make sure that your image is butt up against your ruler, not the plastic. Make sure it's your image. And then there you go. Now that's going to be nice and perfect. You would move your rulers out of the way and be ready to press that. It's right on the money, right where it needs to be. I know my shirt's a little bit crooked, so it may not seem. And then I have this terrible glare, which we will try to fix very, very soon. What you're going to do with this one, instead of putting it right here on top of that neckline, you're going to take it all the way up to the back of the t-shirt. So you want to line this up with the top of the t-shirt. So that's going to be perfectly straight with the top. Now, the center mark on the 26 is going to be 13. You have these same lines to work with. Hopefully you guys can see these lines. Then you're going to take these lines here and you're going to line them up with your armpit. So you're going to do the same thing. You may need to use like your, say the 4-inch, and then the 22-inch is perfect. Then there's my perfect center. So then I'm just making sure that's perfectly at the top. I do the same thing. I would fold my image in half, get my crease mark. I would take that crease mark right at the 13, butt my image up against a ruler. There you go. Now I'm ready to press. It's perfect. If you leave your ruler in place, you can continue to make sure everything lines up. So say this needs to be right in the center here. I know it's hard to see this one. Maybe I'll show you with this one. All right, so you know this one needs to be in the center. I would do the same thing. I'd perfectly fold this in half. I would line it right at that same 13-inch mark and bring it down. So that way it would be right on the center. You would do that exact same thing with the 3x18. So it's preference. You can either purchase just the 6x26 and it's going to work from small all the way up to several X's, or you could purchase different ones. So that way you can just use this for your regular shirts, and then this will be for your bigger ones. So they're super affordable. They're currently on sale right now. I'll have them linked down below as well. So I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.